Alright, I'm about to pick up my package from an Amazon locker.
You've got mail.
Basically, when you check out at Amazon, you select a locker pickup instead of your home address or whatnot. Check out from your Amazon cart and select Change Shipping Address. Then scroll to the bottom and click Find a pickup location near you. Enter a city or location where you want your package to be delivered. Choose your preferred pickup location. Here you see some of the addresses that I've used in my travels. I'm out of town and needed a couple things, so I just had them delivered to an Amazon locker near my hotel, which is right here. Woo! This particular one's at United Dairy Farmers, which is basically just a convenience store. Amazon lockers are located at various retail establishments, including convenience stores, gas stations, grocery stores, Whole Foods, and more. Let me get out and I'll show you how it works. So yeah, it's just a general gas station with gas pumps, convenience store, and then over here is the Amazon pickup. And it tells you what the name of it is to make sure you have the right one. Amazon. Order at Amazon, pick up here. When you place your Amazon order, you'll receive an email which includes a barcode and a pickup code and instructions on how to pick up your package at the locker. And you come in here and you can just scan barcode or touch to start. So we'll touch. The barcode's in my email, but because I'm recording for you, I'll just put the code in because I can't scan it and record for you. Code accepted, and it said your locker is open to your left. So up here, the locker just popped open. As soon as I put the code in, it popped open. Whoa! Wind almost closed it. And there's my package. It's pretty cool. It doesn't work if you have items that are really big, but it does work. There's that size, and then there's like a bigger size down here. Some locker locations can accept larger packages. Amazon will only show the options that work for your package dimensions when you check out. Alright, and then I shut the door and then it says thank you for using Amazon Locker. And now I have my package. Woo! Happy man. And that's how Amazon Locker works.